Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a multi-policy discounts on your Geico insurance policies. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Geico online accounts. So just go on to Geico's website and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you're going to click on policy details. And once you have that clicked, you're going to need to select the policy that you want to combine, and then click on apply for multi-policy discount. Next thing you're going to need to do is to review and confirm the discounts. Make sure you go through that properly, check out all the details and make sure everything is good to go. And once that's done, once that's confirmed, you're going to want to save changes to your policy. And once you have that done, Geico is going to handle the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a multiple policy discount on your Geico insurance policies. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one.